Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change input sources with Globe key on Mac. So if you use more than one keyboard language on your Mac, the Globe key can help you quickly switch between them. This is useful if you regularly type different languages and make a faster way to change keyboards. You can set the Globe key switch between your available input sources with a single press. So to set it, click on the Apple logo at the top left corner of the screen and then choose system setting. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to keyboard, and here click on the drop down menu right to press Globe key 2, and here, and when the pop-up appears, choose change input sources, and that's it. Now whenever you press the Globe key, your Mac can switch to the next available keyboard language or input sources. As you can see here, I have set only one language, so it doesn't change. So if that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.